Hi, it's Jen from Shabby Fabrics. This notion is something you've probably been looking for and didn't even know you were looking for it. This is called Spot on Dot. It's a magnifying lens set. What is this thing for? As you know, if you are a quilter, these rulers are very important to us. We have a good rotary cutter, we've bought good quality fabric, we have a great mat. We really need to make sure we're cutting that fabric exactly where it should be cut. And sometimes certain cuts, especially if it's a 1 7/8, 2 7/8, whatever that might be, we get off on a line because it can be harder to see some of the what I call sublines. Our main lines are 1 inch, 2 inch, 3 inch and beyond, have really strong lines, but other lines are a little bit shorter. Let me show you how this set works. All right, I've got 2 inside here. We're getting a real close-up image. 2 are included. So let's look at what this does. I've just got a piece of white batting here. Hopefully this will help provide a little bit of background and you can see what this will do. So I've got my numbers on here. I've got, of course, the black on one end, the white on the other. It doesn't matter. The point is, if I'm going to say I'm going to cut a 2 7/8, well, that's right there, right? And that's something I have to consistently look for. But if I put a magnifying lens where I want to cut, all of a sudden, it's like putting on an extra pair of reading glasses. It's really nice. I have highlighted that. This is the big one. Now I'm going to do the same thing. Again, my focus, my target, let's pretend the cut is 2 7/8. Look at the smaller one. It's even more intense. Let's say we're looking for that 2 7/8. Look at that. Look at that. How it made it even more profound. So it just illuminates. It's kind of a target, so to speak, of like, this is the mark. Okay, that's with it on, with it off. On. Now all I have to do is give a nice press and just remove it. On and off. I think this product truly speaks for itself, that sometimes maybe we don't have the best lighting. Maybe our eyes are tired, or maybe it's a cut we're not used to doing, and we definitely don't want to miscut. Maybe we have very limited amount of fabric, and we don't have the room to make any mistakes. This is where the Spot on Dot magnifying lens set may be absolutely perfect for just helping ensure that you're going to get that accurate cut exactly where you want it to be every single time. So consider that maybe something, maybe a good addition for yourself, or maybe you can think of a person that struggles with cutting and maybe this would be an ideal gift or maybe a recommendation to them. So be sure to let them know about the good news of this amazing new product. And I know that I'm going to be adding that to my sewing room as well. And I look forward to seeing it on a future Shabby Fabrics video.